Good morning from Meineke Cinnamons, and it's Sunday morning. The weather's not so nice. I am at the shop at 6:30, and I have more Dixie Restoration parts for the Gbody. And man, let me tell you this, I'm so happy about this. Check this out. This is the complete dash overlay, and in the correct color. So, since I do not have a cluster anymore, it should be fairly simple to install. So let me get to it. I mean, this is beautiful. And I paid a little bit more money. I think it was like 200 and change. And I should have just did that. This is medium blue, which I thought it was medium blue, but it's actually a dark blue. I mean, it's close, but you're talking 1986 plastic fade. So I'm going to replace this piece too. This is expensive. I'm not going to replace this today. My goal today is to get this apart and that piece on in less than 2 hours. We did add a mod because we still have to put the trans brake and bump box in before we hit the dyno. And we're going to dyno it on the 295 6515s. By 10s, I am going to go with a 12-inch tire, probably a full slick for the guys who want to mess around. So that's what I added yesterday to the car for the trans brake and bump box. Waiting for the updated shifter cover. All right, I'll bring you back when I got this all put in. I got some interesting conversation for you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.